was born with cinema in his genes. Not too many people know कि उनका असली नाम आमिर हुसैन खान है, as he was born into a family where his father Tahir Hussain was a producer and uncle Nasir Hussain was a famous director. आमिर बहुत छोटे से थे जब उन्होंने अपना डेब्यू किया in the very popular यादों की बारात. Playing the role of the youngest son as a child artist, आमिर को शायद उस वक्त पता भी नहीं था कि आगे जाके he was to rule the roost in Bollywood. After that sweet little debut, आमिर made his acting debut as an adult with Holi. ये फिल्म ज्यादा पॉपुलर नहीं हुई, लेकिन all that was to change when he acted in the hugely successful कयामत से कयामत तक. The movie instantly catapulted आमिर to fame और उनके sweet chocolate boy looks पे सारी लड़कियां मर मिटी. उसके बाद for a long time he was popular as a romantic hero, प्यार करने वाला sweet boy next door. कयामत से कयामत के बाद उनकी अगली कुछ फिल्में उतनी सक्सेसफुल नहीं रहीं, but all that was to change when he was paired opposite Madhuri Dixit in the hugely successful Dil. इसके बाद कई सालों तक his career seemed to have hit a plateau. Though there was the odd hit like Rangila, his big breakthrough came with Raja Hindustani. 8 बार पहले nominate होने के बावजूद आमिर had never won any Best Actor awards. लेकिन Raja Hindustani की success bought him his first Best Actor award. In spite of acting in a variety of films and in challenging roles, like his performances in Ghulam and Sarfarosh, Aamir was not able to achieve the success that he deserved. लेकिन all that was to change over a game of cricket. जी हाँ, when Aamir decided to produce Lagaan, उनके acting career को मिला a new lease of life. The film, shot with great difficulty in the sweltering heat of Gujarat, was a resounding success. Aamir was a star reborn. Lagaan was a commercial success and critically acclaimed as well. And the biggest form of recognition came when it was included amongst the nominations for Best Foreign Film in the Oscars. The honor of taking Indian cinema to the audiences around the world was something that was unforgettable for Aamir. इसके बाद, there was no looking back. The phoenix had risen from the ashes. Aamir started choosing his roles with care and redefining himself with every role. आमिर की फिल्म गुलाम का एक डायलॉग उन्हें बहुत सूट करता है कि लहरों के साथ तो कोई भी बह जाता है, लेकिन जो लहरों को चीर कर आगे निकल जाए वही सच्चे विजेता होते हैं. अगर वो चाहते तो गजनी के बाद एक्शन फिल्म्स ही करते रहते, लेकिन ही इंस्टेड चोज द कंप्लीट ऑपोजिट. अपने बनाए 6-पैक एब्स को भुलाकर he lost 20 kilos to play the role of a college student who challenges the system in 3 Idiots. The movie went on to be the highest-grossing film of all time in Bollywood. और आमिर ने किसी को उन्हें स्टेरियोटाइप करने का मौका ही नहीं दिया. गजनी से उन्होंने बॉलीवुड में प्रॉफिट्स को रीडिफाइन किया. With तारे ज़मीन पर, he educated an entire country on dyslexia and educating children. जब उन्होंने 3 Idiots बनाई, an entire nation woke up to what was wrong with our education system, and Rang De Basanti made us all feel patriotic again. उनकी हर एक फिल्म में कोशिश है to make a difference or to force the audience to think again about their lives. कितने ऐसे एक्टर्स हैं जो entertain और educate दोनों एक साथ कर सकते हैं? Most just succumb into playing it safe and say that they're making family entertainers. लेकिन वो फिल्में कोई याद नहीं रखेगा. लेकिन आमिर की हर फिल्म लोग कोशिश करके भी नहीं भुला सकते. It is only he who understands the power and potential of cinema and its impact for change.